Greetings. I messed up your song, huh? Greetings. What happened? You can see me? I can see you. Grand Rising. Yes, I. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Wonderful sound. I love it. You've been over my head all morning. Look, is that the moon there? That's the moon. Right there between that tree right there. Yeah, it's in a crescent form. Okay, just wanted to let y'all see this is on video. This is real. And this is the sound of our bird in the hills. Right on my land. This is the highest tree. The giant guango tree. And he's up in there rising us up. I just wanted to share these things with you because a lot of us forget that these are the important things of life. And we chase down metal and stone, you know? And the living things we do not see the value in. Yes, I'm here early in the rising. It's one of those mornings, they say. No, it's not a morning, it's a rising. And this would be considered our first night up in the hills, where we spent the night in the hills. Yeah? Yeah? We just wanted y'all to see that we're not talking about this commune liberty. We are living it, yeah? And this is day one and the start of that Rasta Ital liberty commune.